Hello and welcome to our review of the heavy-duty LUXCOL Collapsible Folding Wagon. This rugged cart handles up to 350 pounds with absolute ease. Its massive 200-liter capacity stores all your camping gear and groceries perfectly. The reinforced steel frame and tear-resistant fabric ensure this wagon lasts for years. You can easily conquer sand, mud, and gravel with the wide all-terrain wheels. These 360-degree swivel wheels make maneuvering through tight spaces feel completely effortless. Adjust the ergonomic handle to your height and start hauling your heavy gear today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.